Quick Revit for Beginner number 15. Revit Window Arrangement. The development of the OS has forced Revit to adapt. In previous versions, arranging windows was done system-wide. In Revit 2026, you can freely arrange work windows, just like in Windows 11. To arrange a work window, simply press the tab area and drag it wherever you want. Revit will automatically indicate the work area where the window can be placed. If the area is full, Revit will automatically create a new area for the new tab to be moved. Once the window is in place, release the mouse to place the window in the desired area.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.